All right, how you doing, guys? It's Tony Coleman here from Poppa Homes LLC, where we talk about turning credit into wealth by using the power of real estate. I'm out here with my partner on this deal here. This Brandon. We got a new project going on, which we named this one Granite House. I know I got the sun here, so I tell you what, let me turn this way here. Yeah, we got this project going on. We call it Granite House. As you can see back in the background here, our granite just came, and the guys are about to get it installed here today, which is beautiful. So if you guys can kind of see the guys coming in and out the property, about to grab some more granite. We got some it's for the kitchen. We got the sink already cut out. I think we also got the stove already cut out as well. But the guys out here, they're working pretty hard. So we're like midway through the project. We got another couple weeks to go. The only thing we got to do now is finish up in the kitchen, both bathrooms, and put floors down, and do a few other little odds and ends. Definitely paint the outside of the house. The outside of the house, this brick is gonna be what we call whisper white, and also the shutters are gonna be lunar surface. And that's gonna translate with the colors inside the house as well, guys. So whenever you're doing flips out there, colors are everything. Now you can go a little wild on your colors, but I try to keep it as neutral as possible. So if we get 10 people come, at least eight out of 10 people are gonna definitely love the colors. But we do something crazy, you kind of minimize yourself, and some people, it's been known not to buy a house just because of the color. But as you can see, like we got granite going in, and you know, this is a beautiful sign because the granite, the tiles and stuff we picked out for this property looks real nice. So we're gonna definitely keep you guys updated. And if you got any comments, you got any questions about real estate, hit me up in the comment section. I answer everything. I try to respond to most things as I can. But anything you got, if you want to partner with me and Brandon on another deal, let me know. We'll bring the expertise as long as you bring your finances. Because real estate is beautiful, guys. There's a lot of properties out there to be bought. There's a lot of opportunities out here in Shreveport and Bossier, and also the surrounding cities as well. But you just gotta be willing to go out there and take action, because the properties are out there. Brandon took action on this property. He hopped in. I found the deal. I worked the numbers, and they looked pretty good. And I think we're gonna do very well with this house. So Brandon, you got anything you want to add to it, buddy?
Absolutely, it's been a great experience so far, and yeah, just looking to see the final touches come through.
Yep. Hey,
absolutely.
Right from the horse's mouth, guys. So hey, you guys have a blessed day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I got tons of more videos to come. Hey, real estate is everything, guys. It's all about turning credit into wealth by using the power of real estate. You guys have a good day. Bye-bye.